In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts in Confluence. By the end, you'll know how to open the editor, select exactly what you want to restyle, adjust fonts using the toolbar, optionally use macros for advanced styling, and then publish and review your changes so your page looks clean and consistent. First, open the Confluence page where you want to make changes. Make sure you're on the correct page in the right space and that you have permission to edit it. Then, click the Edit button, the pencil icon at the top, to open the page editor. This puts the page into an editable state so you can update headings, paragraphs, or specific parts of text. Next, highlight the text you want to change. You can select entire sections, a single heading, a full paragraph, or even a few words. Think about consistency as you select. Keeping the same font for body text and a complementary style for headings helps readers scan the page quickly and reduces visual clutter. By the way, because Confluence is a web-based tool, you'll find a link to it at the very top of the description so you can jump straight in. Now, look at the text formatting toolbar. Locate the font drop-down and choose from the available styles, such as Arial, Verdana or Courier. After picking a font, you can adjust size, apply bold or italic for emphasis, and change the color if needed. Keep contrast in mind for readability, and avoid overusing colors that might distract from the content. Note that some Confluence versions have limited font options. If you need broader customization across a space or site, you may need to use CSS, which typically requires admin permissions. If that's the case, coordinate with your admin team so your changes align with your organization's style guidelines. If you want more control and your site allows it, you can apply macros for advanced styling. Use the / command to insert a code block for a clean monospaced look in snippets, or use the HTML macro to apply custom styles where permitted. These options can help you fine-tune font styles, sizes, and colors beyond the default toolbar, but they may be restricted by your admins to keep formatting consistent. When you're happy with the updates, click Publish to save your changes. Then preview the page and scan it like a reader would. Check headings, subheadings, and body text to ensure the fonts look intentional and consistent. If something feels off, reopen the editor, tweak the selection or settings, and publish again. Don't forget to preview your page after changing fonts to ensure readability and consistency. Thanks for watching.